everyone, welcome back to my channel, AzraBeautyHub.com. I'm Rosina, I'm an Avon representative. Today we're going to talk about oral care. But before we do that, if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and while you're there, don't forget to like my videos. Now, there are other ways to find me other than YouTube. I'm on social media. You can find me on TikTok, you can find me on Instagram, you can find me on Facebook. So I also am on all these other social media sites. You can connect with me. The social media handles will be down below. So you can connect with me in all different ways if you have any questions about any of the things that I do talk about in my channel or any of these videos. So let's get back to it. So oral care. So Avon has lots of different products in oral care, toothbrushes, toothpaste, different products. I'm just gonna go over some that I have here at hand, some that I use, and then some that are from the brochures. So the ones from the brochures, obviously, I do not have it with me as yet. I have ordered some products, so hopefully in the future video I'll cover them all. But for the meantime, I'll show you what I do use and what I do recommend and what I do like. So this is one of the newer collection that Avon actually has. It's the Piroy White Action Toothpaste. If I'm not pronouncing that correctly, please don't mind me. Alright, it's the original mint toothpaste, okay? So they come in two different ones. They come in the original mint and they come in strong mint. So I chose to try the original mint first and see how I like it. Then I will go to the strong mint. So my honest opinion is I like it, but I don't love it. Okay, so for me, with my toothpaste, I like to feel that minty feel after I brush my teeth. It just makes me feel fresh and refreshed and ready to go. For those of you who do not like the minty feel after you brush your teeth, this is the best toothpaste for you. So this is great because once you're done cleaning your teeth, they definitely feel clean. It's just not that, minty taste to it, a minty feel to it. So this is great for people who do not like minty stuff. So this is one of them. So this is again the Piroy White Action Toothpaste. It's fluoride-free formula. Okay, so think about that. Fluoride-free formula with baking soda. It effectively cleanses and whitens teeth and naturally refreshes breath. So it's 5.6 ounces, okay? Each of them are 5.6 ounces, which is generally a good size, okay? The ingredients and any other questions if you have, you can go to AzraBeautyHub.com and you can check it out in further detail. So I will just go over the key points with you, all right? So this is one of them. Now the strong mint, I'm looking forward to trying that because I feel like I might like that a little bit better, all right? I will show you guys at the end in the brochure of all the products that are actually there. So this, again, I like this, but I don't absolutely love it, okay? So the next product I want to talk about is the Whitening Fluoride Toothpaste Essentials. So it comes in the charcoal and it's a fresh mint, okay? So you would think it's charcoal, so you would think it would come out black, but it doesn't come out black. It comes out just like a regular white toothpaste. I'm just gonna open this real quick. As you can see, this is the packaging for it, okay? I actually like this toothpaste. This actually is in the brochures for $7.50. Regular price is normally $9, okay? So here we go. As you can see this, it's a beautiful, tube right here. I actually like it. I actually noticed a little bit of difference with my teeth. It was a little bit more brighter, a little bit more shinier. I used it for, the whole duration of the whole entire thing. I just purchased this for a new one because once the other one that I tried finishes, I'm gonna try the strong mint. Once that finishes, and I'll get right back on to the blank charcoal one. So what are the benefits of this one? So the blank charcoal fresh mint, it's activated charcoal to remove stain and brighten teeth, okay? So it comes in different ones. There's this one comes in just for the charcoal, but there are other ones that Avon also has. They have the fresh aloe green mint for people who love the aloe products. So that one has whitening agents, aloe extract with a soothing sensation and mint flavor for a nature-derived freshness. Okay, so that's a green tube. The next one is the charcoal clean mint. Okay, this is fresh mint. So as I showed you before, this is fresh mint. Okay, they also have clean mint. All right, so the clean mint is with 10 times more activated charcoal compared to blank charcoal to help remove stain and brighten teeth. All right, so those are like $8.50 each. You can get that on AzraBeautyHub.com. All right, and then they also have the original cool mint with highly effective whitening agents to keep your smile bright. Okay, so those are the toothpaste that I actually do like. Okay, the next products I'm going to talk about are toothpaste. I'm sorry, not toothpaste. We did the toothpaste. Toothbrushes. I'm staring at toothpaste right in front of me. So here is one of them. Okay, I hope you can see this. Okay, so this is the Whitening Essentials Carbon Collection. The toothbrush right here. It's a medium bristles. Okay, so this is medium blonde charcoal. It's a Whitening Essentials toothbrush, uniquely shaped brush with medium bristles infused with activated charcoal to help teeth look clean and bright. Okay, so this and the other one, I actually don't have the other one. The other one is a soft original. So that one is uniquely shaped brush designed for maximum coverage over teeth as soft bristles with fine tips sweep between teeth to keep them healthy. So this and the other one are $4.50. Otherwise, they're $6. Okay, so you can check that out at AzraBeautyHub.com. We're gonna post the links below for you to check out the exact descriptions. I'm gonna read it out right here, but you can go and check it out on my website if you're not sure or if you want more information. Okay, so this is the other one that I actually have not used yet, but I will try it one of these days. So I'm just excited because there's so many products and I can't quite get to all of them yet, but I'm really excited to share it with everyone, so that's why I am doing this video. Now this is one of the newer products over here. All right, here we go. I'm just gonna open this other one too because it's the same collection, though they're two different colors. And I like that they're two different colors. Here we go. All right, so this is the Piroy White Action Toothbrush. Okay, here we go. And they're both medium bristles, okay? All right, the recommendations are to replace your toothbrushes every 3 months according to these toothbrushes. Okay, every 3 months you should be replacing them, but it doesn't always work for everybody. Keep in mind, once you start to see them bending all different ways, you can change your toothbrush as well. For some people it could be 2 months, for some people it could be 3 months. Okay, so you can check this out at AzraBeautyHub.com. Now these are the Piroy White Action Toothbrushes. They effectively remove plaque and surface stains, easy grip, rubber pads, rounded edge bristles for a gentle, clean, and healthy mouth. Again, medium bristles. So you can check these products out and more at AzraBeautyHub.com. These are the products I have at hand, but I'm going to show you a couple of different things in the catalog. Okay, so Avon has something called the Piroy Royal Black Bee Honey Mint Toothpaste. Now, my husband was going through my brochures the other day and checking out all the products that Avon actually carries. And he stumbled upon this that I knew Avon already had. And he looked at me and he said, "What? Avon has toothpaste with jelly, royal jelly?" So I said, "Yeah, they do." So this is what it looks like. Okay, I'll show this to you right here. Okay. Hopefully you can see that. Okay. I'm just gonna back up a little bit. All right, so I think this is pretty cool because it is a honey mint toothpaste. So now, you know, if my husband brought this to my attention, you know he wants to try it. So I'm definitely going to be adding that to my next order. So it goes for $5 on sale, and otherwise it's $6. Fluoride free with royal jelly and Australian propolis extract. How exotic does that sound? I really like that. I actually have seen it in the brochure before, but didn't pay no mind to it as much. I use the royal jelly propolis hair care, but I never really paid attention to this, but I'm looking forward to trying it. So this one is, it helps fight plaque and whiten teeth. It's a honey mint flavor. So now I love the mint flavor, but honey mint, I'm not so sure. So I'm gonna try it and get back to you guys on that. All right, so you can find that at AzraBeautyHub.com. All right, so I'm gonna show you real quick of all the oral care products that Avon actually has. Okay, you can see them all on one page. All right, here we go. All right, perfect, great. So you can get these products and so much more at AzraBeautyHub.com. This is a one-stop shop deal, guys. This is great. Avon has so many products that people would not even think of. You know, why not go and check out and see what's new on my website? If you have any questions, again, you could always reach me at my social media handles. I'm on Facebook, I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, and of course you could always comment below on the YouTube in the comment section below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions about it. I'm happy to answer any questions or concerns you may have. Again, if you haven't done so already, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and don't forget to hit the like button if there's something you like. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Wanting to become an Avon representative to earn some extra income, again, AzraBeautyHub.com. You're going to click on Become a Representative on the top. It has questionnaire. You just fill that out. It literally takes 5 minutes, guys. 5 minutes to fill it out. And you start for free. You start for free. This promotion is a limited time promotion from now to the end of the year, which is December 31st, 2020. So just keep that in mind. This promotion will not last for a long time. So if you are thinking of starting your own business, if you're thinking of getting discounts on your products, if you're thinking about not paying money to start your own business, because times are tough right now, this is one of the ways to go, okay? There's so many different opportunities out there. You can find what works best for you, but there are not a lot of companies out there that are gonna start you up with nothing at all for free. So you can check this out, reach out to me, and I'll be happy to answer any questions. Otherwise, until the next episode, keep smiling and have a great day.